Almost everything the movies taught you about black holes is wrong. They don't suck. They're not holes. The truth is far stranger. Let's break down what black holes really are. First, a black hole is not actually a hole. It's the opposite. It's an enormous amount of matter crushed into a tiny space. Pack enough mass into a small enough point, and gravity there becomes so extreme that nothing can escape it. Not even light. The edge of this trap is called the event horizon. It's not a solid surface. It's a point of no return. Cross it, and you can never come back. Now let's kill two myths. Myth 1. Black holes are cosmic vacuum cleaners that suck everything in. They don't. From a safe distance, a black hole's gravity is no different from any star of the same mass. If you swapped our sun for a black hole of equal mass, the planets wouldn't get sucked in at all. They'd keep orbiting exactly as they do now. Earth would just get very, very cold. Myth 2. Black holes are not wormholes. They're not shortcuts across space or portals to other dimensions. That's science fiction, not science. So here's a puzzle. If black holes give off no light, how do we even find them? The trick is that we don't look for the black hole. We look for what it does to everything around it. Gas spiraling into a black hole heats up and blazes with X-rays. Nearby stars get whipped into strange, fast orbits around something invisible. And when black holes collide, they send ripples through space itself. Ripples we can actually detect here on Earth. Now for the truly mind-bending part. The closest known black hole is about 1,500 light-years from Earth. The most distant one we've found is around 13 billion light-years away. Then there's the biggest, a monster called Turn 618. It weighs 66 billion times as much as our Sun. A single object, heavier than billions of stars combined. And the smallest black hole ever found, just under 4 times the mass of the Sun. But here's the fact that breaks my brain. Every black hole spins. And one of them, called GRS 1915, spins more than 1,000 times every single second. An object heavier than our Sun, turning 1,000 times a second. The universe has a dark sense of humor. So black holes aren't holes, they're the most extreme objects in the entire universe. If you want more of the real science behind space, subscribe.